And here's my Bronson house that I've got to put up for sale. But I got a lot of work to do on it before I put it up on the market. That's raised lot on the side here. It goes with the house. A big backyard. But it needs painting. A lot of cleanup needs to be done. There is potential here, but I've rented it for quite a few years and people just didn't take care of it like I would have. So me and my friends have got to come in here and do some cleaning. Dining room. Living room, it's kind of dark in here right now. I had nice cabinets in here at one time, but they sure did not take care of my cabinets. Not at all. I'm so disappointed how they did not take care of my cabinets. Such a shame. Such a shame. Anyhow, very disappointing. I come in here and clean. I don't have the lights on. I put a new shower in here, but they didn't keep the place, took care of it. Just did not take care of it. No, they did not. It's a 3-1 house, but it just has not been took care of it. They didn't give it the love it needed. I hate it. Hate it, hate it, hate it. But anyway, and a couple of my friends are going to come in here and clean it up best we can and just put it on the market. Okay, I'm cleaning this Bronson house, my renter's house. Moved out, and now I've got to put this one up for sale. And they've left it in a mess. So I am cleaning with my friend Elaine. Hi y'all, we're over here, been cleaning the Bronson house. Got a lot done today. I've had help, but they don't want to be in my video. But anyhow, we're fixing to leave. So, anyhow, whew. Refrigerator, I'm gonna leave the doors open because the power is off. I've got to get all this stuff off the counter, but anyway, oh, let me show you. We've been cleaning because this had mold all in it. Oh, they ruined my floors here. And the windows, oh, a mess. But anyway, it's dark because I don't have power on. But let me bring you through here.
Where do you want the other extra roll of toilet paper? Take it with you?
Just leave it in there. I told Denise to take it.
Well, I thought you were filming. I'll stick it under here.
Okay.
Here.
And this is one room.
I'm going to put this toilet back seat
We've
down.
got stuff here. This is the windowsill we've had to be cleaning and getting mold off of. And here, I'm not going to paint. It needs painting really bad in here, but I'm not going to do it because I'm just going to sell it as is. But we've been cleaning in here. This is another bedroom. Been cleaning in here. Got the curtains back up. But here. Oh. In here. Probably should have came in here before we hung the curtains back up. But anyway, I'll be filming more later. Another bedroom. This was all dirty in here in this closet. I've got it nice cleaned. This windowsill had mold all in it. I had to clean it. Oh. And this window has mold in it. But we've got it cleaned. My friends have came to help me clean. But it looks a lot better than it did before we started cleaning. Oh. And the bathroom. It's clean. But it needs a lot more cleaning to do. Do what, Elaine?
Do you want me to put all this? I'm putting this cleaning stuff in this one cabinet.
Yeah, we can.
Because you want to film right here, right?
Yeah. Get it straight.
Put all this stuff.
But it's just, we tried. We did a lot of work, but I come back. It looks a lot better than what it did, but it was, I got pictures where it was horrible. Let me show you this floor. She put this flooring down and it's all peeling up, but I'm not going to worry about taking it up because everyone who gets this house, they're going to flip it anyhow. I'll show you this floor here, and then I'll bring you in the bedroom. This is what I had put down. I had put this floor down all through the house because when I was renting this house, the renters was just destroying the carpet and everything, and so I just put that tile down. And then she came and asked if she could put this down. I said, okay. But look at what she has done. I mean, she just ruined it. So it's just, I'm so disgusted how she has messed this up. And I want you to just look right here. How would somebody do that? I mean, come on. You set something there and it's so hot and there's ruin that. It just don't make good sense. I am so upset about that. Let's throw this away too. But, I mean, I really do have a cute little house. And she just destroyed my house. So, anyhow, ruined my cabinets. I had real nice cabinets in here. She ruined it. I'll show this refrigerator so y'all see the. This is the kitchen. As y'all see. I'll move this over. But she just didn't take care of my place. It's just heartbreaking. Heartbreaking, heartbreaking. Anyway, until next time. Oh, I did take y'all outside and showed y'all around the yard, and then, oh, let me show you the laundry room. Yeah, let me show you the laundry room.
I'm hiding.
It's a mess. I haven't cleaned in here. I got a brand new water heater that I put in here. But, I mean, it's just disgusting. Disgusting, disgusting. But, as y'all see, and I don't look so pretty myself right now, but I've been cleaning. But, anyhow, y'all, I'll check back with y'all a little later as this adventure goes, as me trying to get ready to put this up for market. Love y'all.